Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Orange English. I'm Olivia, and I'm so happy you're joining me today. Today, we are going to learn how to talk about your city in English. Sharing information about your city is useful in daily conversations with friends, classmates, or even tourists. It helps you describe your home, talk about places to visit, and express what you like about your city. Have you ever wanted to explain your city to someone in English but didn't know where to start? Maybe you wanted to describe your favorite places, the weather, or the culture, but felt nervous about using the right words. Don't worry. In this episode, we will learn simple and clear ways to talk about your city. You'll learn easy phrases, sentence structures, and vocabulary that are perfect for beginners. Today, we will practice describing your city's name, location, and population, talking about popular places, parks, restaurants, and landmarks, expressing what you like or dislike about your city, asking others about their city politely, and using simple adjectives to make your description interesting. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to talk confidently about your city and ask about other people's cities in English. Remember, you don't need long or complicated sentences. Clear and simple phrases are enough. Take a deep breath, imagine explaining your city to a new friend, and let's start talking about your city step by step. Talking about your city becomes easy if you follow a few simple rules. Step 1. Start with basic information. My city is called Kigali. It is in the east of the country. Around 1 million people live here. Step 2. Describe popular places. There is a beautiful park called... The main market is very busy and colorful. We have many good restaurants and cafes. Step 3. Talk about what you like or dislike about your city. I love the quiet streets in my city. I enjoy visiting the museums. Sometimes traffic can be a problem. Step 4. Ask politely about other cities. What is your city like? Do you have any famous places there? Is it a big or small city? Step 5. Use simple adjectives to make descriptions interesting. Beautiful, big, busy, quiet, modern, friendly. Example conversation. A asks, "Can you tell me about your city?" B replies, "Sure. My city is called Kigali. It's very modern with beautiful parks and friendly people. The market is colorful and fun to visit." Using clear sentences and simple adjectives helps your listener understand and enjoy your description. Practice asking and answering about your city. Describing your city. Q. What is your city called? A. My city is called Kigali. Q. Where is it located? A. It is in the east of the country. Talking about places. Q. Are there any parks in your city? A. Yes, we have several parks. I like visiting Nyaratarama Park. Q. Is your city big or small? A. It's a medium-sized city with around 1 million people. Asking about someone else's city. Q. What is your city like? A. It's quiet and has beautiful rivers. Polite follow-up phrases. That sounds wonderful. I'd love to visit your city someday. It must be fun to live there. Practicing these Q&A examples will help you speak confidently about your city. Talking about your city is useful in daily social interactions with friends or classmates. Where do you live? What is your city like? Do you have any favorite places there? With teachers or coworkers, can you describe your city? Is it easy to travel around your city? In public or social events, I'm visiting your city. What should I see? Are there any popular restaurants or museums? Polite responses. Yes, you should visit the main square. It's beautiful. My city is friendly and full of interesting places. I hope you enjoy your visit. Tips. Speak slowly and clearly. Use simple adjectives and phrases. Ask questions politely to learn about other cities. Smile and keep a friendly tone. Describing your city clearly helps others understand your home and makes conversations enjoyable. We've reached the end of today's episode. Today, we learned how to talk about your city in English. We practiced describing the name, location, and population, talking about popular places, expressing likes and dislikes, and asking politely about other cities. Remember, short, clear, and polite sentences are enough. You don't need complicated phrases. Simple adjectives and easy phrases make your description interesting and understandable. Here is your practice for today. Say these sentences out loud. My city is called Kigali. It's modern and friendly. There are many beautiful parks and restaurants. What is your city like? Try asking friends, classmates, or family about their cities today. Practicing will help you speak confidently, politely, and clearly. Thank you for listening to Orange English. I'm Olivia, and I'm proud of you for practicing today. See you in the next episode. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and enjoy talking about your city in English.